Good evening and welcome to this special report from my electric earth. Well, it's evening here right now when I'm recording this. Maybe it's not when you are watching this, but anyway, it's evening for me. So, why am I recording this like this in the evening? Is because it's a special thing that happened. I got a comment from one of my followers, Björn, in Germany, and he told me he watched my latest episode and he told me that he was talking with Tesla regarding a bug and the reason why my car behaves a little bit strange, not having YouTube and Netflix and so on, like I showed in my earlier episode. Especially if I go to this entertainment tab here and press the theater, it's completely blank. There is nothing here. So here there is some need to correct something. I will tell you shortly, but first we'll start with a lesson in the Swedish alphabet. The English alphabet in many others also is A, B, C. And the last one is... which one is the last one in the alphabet actually? Is maybe... Z, right? Or C, or I don't know how you pronounce this. But in Swedish language we have 3 more letters in our alphabet. There is other European countries also having different kind of letters that is more or less foreign to the American and English speaking people. For example, Germany have this U with 2 dots above. Polish language have letter like this, for example, and so on. But in the Swedish language there is 3 more letters after the Z letter here, and it is an A like this with 1 dot. You can do this like this also with 1 dot. And you have another A like this. And here you have 2 dots. And 2 dots like this. And then you have an O like this. And here also you have 2 dots. An O with 2 dots like that. And this is pronounced O, A, Ö. So 3 more letters that is coming after the letter Z in Swedish. So here comes the problem now with those letters. They are, accordingly to our friend in Germany, causing a bug in the Tesla system. And what is this problem? If you name your car with any of those letters, this bug will appear in this version 10.0. And as you can see here, this car is named Jag är bäst. That means I am best. And this is my 12-year-old daughter that named the car like this because she loves the Tesla. It's the best car. But apparently this is causing some kind of problem. Now it says in Björn's comment that we should change the name. Okay, so I should change the name. I'm clicking here and I will change it to this name here that... Let's see what happens. Whoa! Oh! That was some kind of cool Easter egg. And now we will go and see what is happening. If we go into the entertainment here like this, entertainment, and click the theater mode. Yeah, and we have Netflix, YouTube and tutorials. Let's try the the YouTube. My Electric Earth. Yeah. And here I have my latest episodes. This one with Alpha was fun, right? Let's watch that. Today we will make the comparison between the Tesla Model 3 long range versus the classic Alfa Romeo 164 with a V6 engine. Yeah, you can go and watch that movie if you like. We don't have to watch it again in this movie, right? Well, that was interesting, right? And now it is working. That's great. Thanks to Björn in Germany for giving me this tip. It's interesting what I will rename my car to now, if I will change it back to I'm best, jag är bäst in Swedish, or if maybe I should choose another name without those exotic letters that we have in the Swedish alphabet. Well, that's all for this episode. As always, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will not miss any future episodes. I have another one coming up, very interesting, about why I am doing this YouTube channel. Also, if you plan to buy a Tesla Model 3 S or X, you can check in the description for my referral link and you will get some free supercharging. If you already made a reservation, try and click it there also and follow the information there. Until next time, have a great life.